Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review. Yeah, so today we're going to unbox the new, of course, finally, this new release of Hottoys after, I think more than a year when we pre-ordered this one. This is a part of Infinity War movie. So this is the
Avengers and War Machine.
War Machine.
So this Infinity
War Machine Mark IV. Yeah. Special edition. What is this one?
War Machine Mark.
Yeah, you can see right here at the box.
Special edition.
Yeah, special edition. There is some extra.
Yeah, MMS
$4.99 and D26. Yeah, Diecast 26. So yeah, it's more than a year of waiting from the movie Avengers Infinity War. There you go, guys. So guys, the box very nice. You can see those prints, very nice. The logo, gold right here.
And then the Infinity Gauntlet on the side.
Yeah, and then those warnings at the back.
Yeah.
There you go. So this is the first cover. There you go, guys. Very nice. And then of course the cast and crew. Yeah, right here. The box, the War Machine Mark IV. Yeah. Wow, nice. Finally. Yeah. Very nice.
Ooh, there's some
Ooh, there you go, guys.
some designs on it.
Wow, it's very bulky,
Camouflage.
very muscular.
And the designs are like camouflage.
Yeah, the camouflage. Wow, it's very nice, guys, right? You can see. So let's take it out first. The foam. So you can keep those styrofoam, so you can put it back if you're going to keep him or keep it on the box. Like if you want to display it, at least it will what's this?
It won't be
Prevent
damaged.
those
Damage
sharp parts.
to like damage
Damage the paint.
the shiny.
Not really shiny, but matte. Actually, it's a matte paint, but it's very nice.
I love the
because
designs.
I love the design too. Because
The
of
light.
not only the design, because of that details, right?
Yeah.
I can see the details.
The colors mix so well.
This is the details. There's a lot of details on the body, on his armor. This armor of War Machine Mark IV, guys. There you go. Well, you can see it's very bulky. Wow. Right? You guys see it? Yeah, there's those three War Machine. One, two,
Yeah,
three.
one.
And then this is the
And all
fourth
of them
one.
are the same.
Yes.
Should we,
Right?
Yeah, we should do a comparison.
Yeah, later.
For
Can't wait to put the battery. We'll put the battery later, guys. So this is his. What is this?
his
His
gun
gun.
on his shoulder.
Yeah, it's like he's like Gatling guns.
He's
Very advanced now, right?
Yeah. Compared to his first suit.
Gatling gun or turret. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, guys. Very nice. Right. The head sculpt. Yeah, Rhodey.
Yeah. The other one is just the light, and this one is the face.
Yes. There we go, guys.
Ooh.
Wow.
The red.
Yeah, I think of course it's the same. For the head sculpt, I think it's the same. Same face, head sculpt with the other
Yeah. With the
War
other,
Machine.
With the other two, it's just the same face.
Yeah, we forgot that name of this monster.
We could put it somewhere over.
Yeah.
But probably just put it somewhere.
Yeah, so the
On the
monster,
screen.
yeah, the soldier of Thanos.
Yeah.
Yes, there you go, guys. So I think this is the special edition, and of course the batteries stand. It has two prints.
Yeah, the ground one.
This one, no, this
The
one
battlefield, the Wakanda battlefield.
is, yeah, I think on the field, and then this one, of course, the Avengers logo. This should indicate the
Indicate
like this
what?
one, War Machine. At least indicate that War Machine Mark 4. All War Machine, at least they know which one is Mark 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And then aside from that, the is interchangeable guns. Yeah, so it has
What?
two.
Shooting.
This one too, from his, I think, yeah, from his shoulder. Yeah, and then this one has gold.
Oh.
Extra head sculpt, right? Okay, so we already showed you all the accessories that it's in inside the box. Quick review, guys. Wow, very nice, very solid, very muscular. The form, it's okay, it's fine. Maybe just, yeah, maybe a few, flaws.
A bit
Maybe,
twist.
yeah, a bit twist, not really aligned. It's actually always happen,
Two die cast.
in the not in diecast, but into Iron Man or some factory,
Defect.
small defects. Yeah.
Yeah, but
So not really perfect. Maybe there are some, yeah. And then the paint job, it's really good too. Yeah,
Yeah.
looks clean. Yeah, of course I didn't really look. Maybe just maybe a few, not perfect paint. But then I can say from afar and a very quick look, it's very nice, very clean.
I wanna
paint.
wear this suit for Halloween.
Yeah, I know, right? It's very nice. It's very
Like
nice, guys.
connected
The
together.
articulation. The articulation is very nice, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Right, Martin?
Mm-hmm.
Then the back. I think at the back. Oh, you can
That's a
remove,
missile.
this
I'm
one.
talking about
Yes.
this one.
You can change that. So those movable parts of his body. Oops.
You can take off some part.
I think this one is the. No, this one is the. Maybe you can put the guns. I mean, yeah. Or slide, oh. See? Ooh. Oh, I see. There you go. You can lift. Nice. So yeah, I'm sure you guys seen this figure from other channels, from other YouTube, collectors, hot toy collectors. Yeah, it's been out for almost a month, more than a month, I think. Yeah, more than a month. It's been out for more than a month. So yeah,
About we only
guys.
got ours like this.
Yeah, because we pre-order. No, not late, but there's a line.
Yeah.
So those first member got it first.
Yeah, they're so
Yeah,
early.
those really like very first members of Hot Toys Secret Base or Toy Hunters. They are the one who got it first, and yeah. So anyway, yeah, very nice, guys. I mean, I cannot say anything negative or bad to this figure, but it's
because
very
it's
nice.
so-
And then of course it's die-cast, right? Ano, see, very nice. So see, guys. Wow.
So bulk.
Yeah, so bad. Really like solid robot. Yeah, I know. It's like.
Imagine the military used that, right?
Mhm.
It would
So
be very
we'll put
messy.
the lights later on. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
What really I saw first that really how do you say that amazed me
Mm-hmm.
was those the camouflage on it, the
Bitawan
camouflage,
mo.
the designs on it. When you get, yeah, when you get it, you will know what I'm talking about. Because you can't really see it when you put it near the camera.
Which one?
And the
The paint.
yeah, the camouflage. It really caught my eye.
So yeah, think of this one is here. Those other Iron Mans, other War Machine, the was this the turret or his gun? They're putting it on the side. You can put it on the side, but this time it's in the middle of his back, and then you can slide it up. Actually here. Ow. Full pack. That's why it's really named
A war machine.
War Machine. You know, it's really like
Means
for
like really meant
war.
for war.
Yeah, really meant for war.
It's like
It's like-
the destruction. The last resource.
I need to put it. I need to put him here on the stand.
It's like in the
It's
battle.
very dangerous.
that is like-
Very
that is-
dangerous.
In the battle
Huh?
when you're like losing, like the last resource.
Yeah. Right. Very nice, guys. Very nice figure. Wow. Hopefully the lights are working. You know,
Yeah.
the lights, the LED lights on his body parts. Yeah, so we won't need to exchange it, because I mean it's nice already. Right? Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Articulation is nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice. I mean, yeah, front and back. Oops.
So it's like
There you
take
go.
it off.
At least it's very stiff. I mean, arms, the elbows, like this. Yeah.
Wow, his
Yeah,
thighs are so
the
big.
legs.
And his thighs are so big.
I know, right?
It's like
Very big.
it's like his hawk.
Yeah, there you go. So you still have some plastic here. You can actually pull his. I think you can pull his feet. Yeah, the feet is so big too. Actually, even the feet is like whoa. I think you can also pull the body. Oh yeah, there you go. So you can pull his upper torso.
Yeah,
To
War Machine Mark IV really resembles a
Whoa!
war
Look at that, guys. I mean, you can see.
twist.
I can really twist his body. Yeah, right? Very nice. Wow.
Imagine.
I didn't know that. I mean,
Imagine.
usually the other Iron Mans or other War Machine, maybe you can lift after you lift that torso. You cannot really twist that much compared to this. Look at that.
Probably just
Wow.
it's probably just like
What?
30-60 degrees.
Yeah, something like that. But still like big. Look at that, guys.
Like
Wow.
punching.
Yeah, it's like punching. Right, guys? It's very nice. See? So if you're doubting to get, no.
Don't
You should,
doubt.
yeah, don't doubt, don't hesitate to get this one.
It's so
Maybe,
cool.
of course,
If-
it's a bit expensive, but again, if you already pre-order this one, yeah, it's a very nice figure, guys. I mean, yeah, if you're
the mo-
still planning and then still like, you know, don't, because this is part of the movie Infinity War.
the price is really worth it.
Yeah, price is really worth it, guys. Around here, this one is around 2,000 bucks.
2,000 Hong Kong dollars.
Yeah, 2,600 Hong Kong dollars.
So that would be like
Yeah, but well, actually, us, because I'm not sure. I forgot. I'm not sure if we still have the discount because we are member,
We are
strictly
VIP.
based, yeah, VIP member. But I'm not sure if there's a discount. Maybe not. Usually, if there's if it's an exclusive version or like yeah, limited edition or special edition, there's no discount. Yeah, they didn't.
So probably in
Yeah, so I think
those-
that's the yeah fixed. I mean that's the real price, 2,600 Hong Kong dollars. Yeah. So this one, if you didn't really pre-order him or didn't really pre-order this one, the price will like maybe double or more, double,
If you
triple.
buy
Yeah, might because
you
this is
don't
Infinity War.
you just buy it straight.
Yeah, Of course, this is the last war machine. Oh no, sorry, the end game. You still have the end game. Well, if you some collectors will only buy the end game
Daddy,
war machine.
Is the end game still Mark 4?
Mark 5.
Mark 5.
Already Mark 5, yeah.
Can't
Mark 5 and
wait.
I think Mark 6. There are two eh. Mark 5 and 6.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Yeah. So yeah, so maybe some will just order the end game version, or some will order both. You know, so it's either two. You will order end game only, or you're okay. You're fine with this this war machine Mark 4, because also nice, very nice, guys.
War Machine should have its own Hall of Armor.
Yeah, but Infinity War, of course, they lost, right? So that's why Mark 5 is still the best.
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like, and goodbye.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Peace. So let us know what you think about our video, our review, our unboxing, and then comment down below. Bye guys, thank you for watching.